In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendar Basecamp. We'll walk through how to add an event to a Basecamp project so everyone on your team knows what's happening, when it's happening, and how to join. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause or rewind anytime you need to. First, open Basecamp and head to the project where you want this event to live. This is important because each project has its own schedule. If you accidentally put an event in the wrong project, the wrong group of people might see it, or the right people may miss it entirely. So, from your Basecamp home, choose the project that's actually related to the meeting or event you're planning. Once you're inside that project, look for the Schedule tool. You'll recognize it by the little pink clock icon. Go ahead and click that. The schedule is where all of a project's dates, deadlines, and meetings are organized, so it becomes a shared source of truth for your team's timing. At the top of the schedule page, you'll see a button that says New Event, usually in green. Click that button to start creating your event. This opens up a form where you'll fill in all the details your team needs. Start with the name of the event. Give it a clear, descriptive title like Client Check-in or Design Review. The more specific you are, the easier it is for teammates to scan the calendar and instantly know what each event is about. Next, set the date and time. You can manually choose the start and end dates and times, or you can type something natural like next Friday at 10 a.m. Basecamp is good at translating those plain language entries into exact times. Make sure your start and end times are accurate so people don't join late or leave early by mistake. In the description area, add any links or notes that people will need. This is a great place to drop the video call link like Zoom or Google Meet, as well as an agenda, files people should review in advance, or any quick context. Keeping this information in the event itself saves everyone from hunting through old messages later. You can also choose who should be included on this event. Select the people or groups who need to be notified so they'll get reminders and see it on their Basecamp schedule. This helps keep everyone aligned without sending separate emails or messages. When everything looks good, click Post this event. Basecamp will save it to the project's schedule and notify the people you selected. Your event is now set up and visible to your team, ready to keep everyone on the same page.